The sound that we are going to practice in this video is the sound T. Again, T. 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 In tennis. Again, tennis. 10. Again, 10. True. Again, true. Top. Again, top. Tip. Again, tip. 3. Again, 3. Tomorrow. Again, tomorrow. Tool. Again, tool. Turkey. Again, turkey. What other words have the initial sound T? T. In star. Again, star. Hotel. Again, hotel. Between. Again, between. Step. Again, step. Stiff. Again, stiff. Motor. Again, motor. Voter. Again, voter. Cotton. Again, cotton. Potato. Again, potato. What other words have the middle sound T? T. In bat. Again, bat. Coat. Again, coat. Cat. Again, cat. Fruit. Again, fruit. Goat. Again, goat. Hat. Again, hat. Set. Again, set. Tint. Again, tint. Font. Again, font. Front. Again, front. What other words have the final sound T? Now, let's practice phrases with the sound T. Ready? 33 trains. Again, 33 trains. Trainers training. Again, trainers training. Tennis tournament. Again, tennis tournament. Travel and tours. Again, travel and tours. Thick and thin. Again, thick and thin. Now, let's practice sentences with the sound T. Ready? The teacher teach her student to count. Again, the teacher teach her student to count. Too many trees on the forest. Again, too many trees on the forest. He was riding a train to Tayuman. Again, he was riding a train to Tayuman. That building is so tall. Again, that building is so tall. Tony is eating a taco. Again, Tony is eating a taco. In this video, we practice the sound T. Repeat after me. T. T. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.